to the VTE. You feel me? I ain't been posting in a while. I ain't gonna lie. A lot been going on. I just been trying to put stuff in motion. Let me explain. You feel me? I got y'all. Hold on, let me get y'all right. I hope y'all can hear me clearly. So let me explain what happened, right? So last video I told you my teammate. So now Warner, they gave me 2 weeks to find a new teammate or to find an account. Warner doesn't have any accounts open right now. So that was out the what ended up happening is I didn't find a teammate. What I did was they gave me until today actually to park the truck. But what ended up happening was I decided to like become a trainer. So yeah, I'm gonna take class tomorrow. Today is May 6th, 11:34. As you know, your boy's birthday is at the end of the month, May 31st. I'm gonna be big 22, man. I just got finished. Well, I'm not finished yet. I'll be done tomorrow as far as like classes and courses. You feel me? A lot of things happened this year that I am grateful for. Last year, around this time, I think I had my CDL, but I couldn't drive because I wasn't 21. Right? Fast forward to a year later, I'm about to be a trainer. Like, yo, that's crazy. Yo, that's crazy, yo. But yeah, much blessings, man. When you put in work for what you want. Yeah. Today is May 10th, Friday. I just got done with training, classes and courses, stuff like that. But look though, right? Your boy made it, man. Yo, y'all see it? Hold on. Yeah. But that's a new challenge for me, man. I'm always trying to just keep moving, keep challenging myself. I hope whoever watching this video, there's motivation for you guys. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying. But until then, man, to everybody that's watching this video, keep grinding, keep working hard for what you want in life. Don't stop, you feel me? You just gotta keep challenging yourself. Never get too comfortable, you hear me? That's all I gotta say. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna catch y'all later though. I'm about to come in from the DMV handling everything else. Right? So I passed my tankers. So now I got my tickets endorsement. So, you feel me? But not only that, but I'm in Georgia right now. They are gonna route me to the PA terminal. And from there, I'm gonna start my new account, which is Northeast Regional. And then I'm gonna pick up my trainee. Man, I'm getting closer and closer. Dropping off the load.
What are you doing in here? You're not answering.
It's not the entrance.
You gotta park out there. Then you gotta see me. Then you gotta walk over there. Then they're gonna call you.
I didn't know that.
Come in.
I ain't know that. You gotta be, you feel me? You could've just told me that.
They keep sending different drivers to Warner, and every Warner person I do the same shit. So when you come next time, you know what to do. If I say it in a cool way, next time, you're gonna do the same thing. Trust me, I've been doing this shit for over 10 years.
Same time, bro, you only gotta talk to me crazy.
I'm not talking to you crazy, man.
Word though.
I'm not talking to you crazy, son.
Alright, but look, when I bust a U-turn.
You can't do a U-turn, that's why I'm right here. I'm gonna back you up, you're gonna park behind that truck. Alright? I'm not talking, I'm talking to you so you can remember for next time if you decide to come to New York. Because everybody, oh, I don't know. And they don't come, and then they'll come back like 5-6 months later and it'll be the So I'm gonna back you out.